Hey friends, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am a full-time Poshmark seller. I sell clothing, shoes, accessories, all kinds of stuff for a living, and I love sharing my journey with you on this channel. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. But today I have a haul video for you. So last week, a couple days I went sourcing and I went to a bunch of different places. So I know my last Goodwill haul, it was like a huge haul from one place, one store. It's not normally like that. Normally I have to go to a bunch of places to find stuff, so this is gonna be more of a collective haul. Some of it's thrifted, some of it is from local like resale or consignment shops. I also went to a church sale where I ran into one of you, so if you're watching, hey girl. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead and share it all with you, share my finds, so let's go ahead and get into the haul video. Starting off the haul with tank tops, I have this really cute graphic tee tank top, and it's got the California bears on it, and it's just a super soft tank, and the brand is Grace and Threads, which they sell at Target, but it does really well, and I really like the style of this tank top, so I'll probably list that one maybe $15 to $18. And then the next tank top that I have is another graphic tank, and it's actually a band or country singer Eric Church, and I just really like the eagle graphic on it. It's his tour merchandise, and yeah, it's just a racerback tank. I'll probably list that at $25. Graphic tank, you know, I love my Banties. This one's Rolling Stones, and it is a size medium. I'll probably list this one at $30. It's a very oversized, like high-low kind of style. Okay, more Banties, and I was excited. I found some plus size Banties, so I'm not sure exactly where this brand is sold, True Vintage. I'm gonna look it up, but it's a size 1, I believe a 1X, and it's Grateful Dead, and I just love the graphic and the color on this one. Probably listed at $30. I need to do a little more research on the brand though. Next tank top is a graphic oversized tank. It says Moonrise Night Flight, and it's by We the Free from Free People. Just a really flowy fit tank. Probably list this one at $35. The next graphic tank top is, again, a Rolling Stones World Tour kind of theme, and it is another plus size, so this one's a 3X. Probably list that at $30. A classic Free People piece. I used to pick these up all the time. You have to be really careful. The lace is sometimes torn, but this is their trapeze lace and voile slip, and it's just intimately Free People, and this one is a size small. I'll probably list that at like $35 to $40. They don't go for as much as they used to. Probably $35 on that one. The next piece I have is this great floral print Tunic Tank, so it's a longer length, which is the tunic length, and it is by Cabby, and this is the newer label Cabby, so there you have it, size medium. It also happens to be new with tags, and it gives you all the info on that tag. I'll probably list this one. I need to look up the style, but maybe $45 or $50. Okay, this is a great kind of crochet detail tunic tank top, and it is by Meadow Rue, which is from Anthropology. I'll probably list this one at $30. I really like the color on it, and it has the detailing on the back as well. This is a super textured, has little rosettes all over it. It's a short sleeve blouse, and the brand is Weston Wear from Anthropology. So that little bird is Weston Wear, and yeah, I'll probably list this one at $30 to $35. The back's plain. More graphic tees. This one is Van Halen. It is so soft. It's very oversized, but it also happens to be a plus size. Again, I am so excited. I've been finding plus size lately. Forever 21, it is a 2X. I'll probably list this one at $20 to $25. And the back, I think, yeah, the back has the tour dates as well. This one I love as well. It's super soft. It's Iron Maiden. It has that distressed graphic on it, and it is a size small. Probably list this one at $30. Back's plain. Okay, this one is the Who, and it's distressed, and it has this great cutout detail with the choker collar, and this one is plus size, I believe. So the brand is just the Who, and it is a plus size 3X. I'll probably list this one at $30. Just a great graphic tee. More graphic tees, you know, I cannot pass these up. So this one is a California theme, and it's super distressed. Like, it has holes all over it. It's got some embroidery detail right here, so you can see it's textured, but then it also has this cutout at the shoulder, and the brand is We the Free by Free People, and this is actually the newer We the Free tag, and it's a size extra small, but it's pretty oversized. I'll probably list this at 35 to 40. I'm gonna look up comps, and you can see more distressing. Okay, this graphic tee, I love the print. It really caught my eye, and it's just got all these lips all over it. It's really cute, and the brand is J. Crew, but it's a collaboration piece, so it's Donald for J. Crew, and I'll probably list that at $25. I have a similar theme shirt to this right now in my Poshmark closet. This one is I Love Glamping graphic tee by one of my favorite brands, Chaser. It's a size medium. I'll probably list this one at $30 to $35. Okay, another graphic Banty, and this is a cropped one, so it's been cut off on the bottom. It's got these Raglan 3/4 sleeves, and it's Led Zeppelin. It also happens to be new with tags, and this one I believe is a size, it's a size large. It is new with tags. I might list this one at $40. Okay, this is a super distressed Def Leppard Raglan Banty, and you can see it's got all this distressing around the edge. It's the same brand that I showed earlier, True Vintage. I believe it's plus size 3X, and I'll probably list this one a little higher, maybe 35 to 40, because it's really good quality, very nice t-shirt. I love picking up plaid shirts for fall. They seem to be in season pretty much every year. They're just a great throw-on piece, and this is a red and black check plaid. It's by Denim & Supply, Ralph Lauren, which this brand does pretty well for me. I do like to pick it up when I find it, so I'll probably list that at $35. And then I actually found another Denim & Supply Ralph Lauren, and this one's more of like a black and ivory buffalo check plaid, or I guess it's more gingham plaid, because the smaller checks are gingham. When they're bigger checks, it's more of a buffalo plaid. So again, $35. Okay, this, I haven't found this brand in a while. Tory Burch, as you can see by the tag. So Tory Burch honestly doesn't sell for as much as it used to for me, but this is a great metallic blouse. So it's kind of a tunic length. It's got this great split neck, and I'll probably list it at $50 to start. I do like the colors on it a lot. And then we have an athletic top. I love my athletic wear, and it is a half zip pullover, and it is by Athleta, size small. I'll probably list this one at $30 to $35. And it also has the thumb holes, which is a great detail. Onto some dresses. You can probably tell by the boho style that this dress is by Free People. So Free People, one of my favorite brands, and it's got this great embroidered detail. It's just an oversized peasant dress, so I'll probably start that one either 50 or 60. I do want to look up the style on that. And then I have sold this top before. It is a tunic top, also by Free People. And this one, I believe, goes for around like $45. So I'm going to look up comps again. But this boho kind of peasant style does really well for me, and I love florals. Okay, we have another Denim & Supply piece. So Denim & Supply, Ralph Lauren. It has this Aztec tribal knit top, but it's kind of like a pullover sweatshirt. So the sleeves are more of a sweatshirt material, as well as the back. I'll probably list that around $35 to $40. Okay, back to more dresses. And again, this one is Free People, if it will focus. It's missing the size tag on there, but I'll just measure it because I love the print on this one. Again, it's more of a neutral floral print, peasant style, just kind of loose and flowy. It has the tie neck, and there is the back. So probably a little higher on this one, maybe $60, $65. Another Free People item, and this one's more of a tunic or drop waist style, so you can layer it with like some leggings or jeans, or it could be a super short dress, but this one is a size medium, Free People. I'll probably list that on the higher side as well, maybe $60, because these are more recent styles. They're more current, so I'm definitely pickier and look for more current Free People styles. This one I kind of want to try on for myself, but it's a long sleeve, beautiful floral print dress, and it's a little bit more formal. It has these sequins, if you can see throughout, and it's a baby doll style, so it's got that higher empire waist, and it has some pockets at the bottom as well. And again, this one is by Free People. Not sure if I mentioned that one, so there is the label. I'll probably list this one around 65 to 75. I'm gonna look up that style again, but it is a dressier item. This brand I have only found, I believe, once before. So the brand is Tula Rosa, and Tula Rosa, they sell it at Nordstrom, they sell it on Revolve, which is one of my favorite websites, but this is a great off-the-shoulder style. It's got a smock detail right here, and it's an eyelet design, so it's got all this eyelet embroidery all over it. It's got pockets. It's very current style with it being off the shoulder, so I'm gonna look up how much this retailed for, probably a couple hundred. I'll probably list it around maybe $75 on that one. Okay, I haven't found this brand in quite a while. It's a very kind of psychedelic print, and it also has these embroidered butterflies on it. So the embroidered butterflies kind of caught my eye. It's got ruche detailing at the waist, which really accentuates the waist, and then it has a plunging neckline, and the brand is Karen Millen. Karen Millen does really well. Her dresses retail for over $300. I'll probably list this one around $75. I like the style. It's 100% silk as well. Okay, this dress is gorgeous to me. I love this kind of abstract splotchy print. It is midi length, so it's a longer length, and it has crochet detailing all around the front as well as on the back in between the shoulder blades. And the brand is Maeve. So it is Maeve from Anthropologie, size medium. This does seem like a more current style. I'm gonna look it up, but I'll probably list this on the higher end anywhere from like $75 to $80. More Anthropologie. This one is a kimono style piece. So it's an open kimono with ruffled sleeves, and it's this blue and brown floral print. The brand on this one is Eloise, which is actually from their like loungewear line, but you could definitely wear this, you know, anywhere. You could wear it out and about as a, you know, a throw-on piece with jeans and tank. You could wear it as a beach cover-up, as a lounge piece. So I'll probably list that around $50. More Free People. I was on a roll with Free People at this one store, and this is a size medium. It's a sweater tunic, so it's not lined, but it is a longer length sweater with a high-low hem. It's got a super deep front, and it does have all this like embroidery and detailing around the collar, and then also it has huge bell sleeves. So these flare sleeves are really popular. I'll probably list this one around $50 to $60 on that piece. Okay, this one I need to do a little bit of sweater shaving on, but it is a super long, basically floor length maxi cardigan sweater. Again, this one is Free People. It is a size small. It's pretty oversized. I'm gonna look up comps on this one, but I'll probably list it around $70 to $75. Okay, this is a vintage Victoria's Secret. Vintage Victoria's Secret. This is a gold label. It's one of their older labels. It's a short sleeve pajama set. So this is the top. It's just a little boxy paisley print top, and then it comes with the matching pajama shorts. They're like little boxer style with the elastic waist. I just think that's such a cute set. Maybe $35 to $40 on that one. And then I also picked up these Vineyard Vines pajama pants. So pajama pants, I don't typically pick them up very often, but Vineyard Vines does pretty well. Here's the label. It's just a preppy kind of brand, and these are a size small. I saw a pair sold recently on Posh, I think for $25, so I'll probably list them right around there. Okay, and this piece is a vintage Nike. So I found this at an estate sale actually, and it's a vintage Nike size large. I think it's a men's. I need to measure it, but I love the like 80s color on this windbreaker. It's got the logo embroidery. It's actually in really, really good condition. I didn't see any kind of stains or flaws. So I'll probably list that around, I don't know, $40 to $50. Okay, on to, we've got a top randomly stuck in here. So this is a chambray top. It actually wraps around and ties, and it's got this embroidery around the collar and trim, and it is by Holding Horses from Anthropologie. So Holding Horses size medium on that one. I'll probably list that around $35 to $40. It's really nice quality. Okay, on to jeans. I have a pair of Paige. These are size 24, so they're a little smaller, but they're a skinny jean, and that is the newer tag as well, that big square tag. These are new with tags, and I don't know how much these retailed for, but I'll probably list them around like, I don't know, maybe $65 or $75. I don't always pick up Paige, but new with tags I couldn't pass up. And then I haven't found this brand in a while either. It is Mother. Oh, these are some Mother jeans. I really like the super distressed wash on these, and they're a great skinny jean. The style's actually on the inside, so it tells you right here it's the Looker crop zip, and it is the Griffin Girl wash, so that's really nice and handy that they do that. I'm gonna look up this style and see how much they retail for and how much they're going for. Whoops, but probably like 75 on those. And then the last pair of jeans that I found, I almost kept these for myself, but I figured I might not wear them enough. And they are these super wide leg patchwork Free People jeans. They have the raw released hem and all this paisley detail. And again, Free People, like I said, they are actually We the Free by Free People, size 29. They do have a mark through the label, but again, I'll just disclose that in the listing. And I want to see how much these sell for, but probably I'm thinking like 75 on those. The final piece that I have is this Loft Blazer. It is olive green wool. It has this faux fur collar, which you can actually unbutton and remove. And it is by Loft. It's a size 6 petite, and it's new with tags. It retailed originally for $138, then it was on sale. But yeah, I think this is a beautiful piece for the upcoming fall and winter season. I'm gonna look up comps, but I'll probably list it around $75. There you go, my most recent haul of a bunch of stuff that I absolutely love. I feel like I say that every single time, that I love everything I get, but I try to be really selective when I'm sourcing and only buy stuff that kind of goes along with my closet aesthetic or the curated look that I'm going for. So I tend to pick up a lot of similar styles, similar brands, graphic tees. You guys know what I like. But if you want to see what this stuff looks like in my Poshmark closet, I'm gonna link it down below. If you're new to Poshmark, you can actually sign up with my code EMPTYHANGER and you get $5 off your first purchase, so that's cool if you're new. And yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Bye.